Welcome back, second grade. We are going to finish with our Starry Night cities today. So all you need is a piece of black construction paper. I have my background paper that I painted last week, but I'm going to set that off to the side. We'll get back to that. I have a glue stick, a pair of scissors, and then some crayons. If you'd like to draw with a pencil, you can, but since we're using a piece of black paper, I think we're going to use a white crayon so that we can see that a little bit easier. Let's start with that first. All right, everyone. So on this black piece of paper, we are going to draw our city. We're going to do a silhouette of a city, which is kind of like the black outline of something. So on this piece of paper, again, we did our sky about halfway down, which means we want our buildings to go about halfway up. Some of them can be taller, that's fine. Some of them might cover parts of the sky that you painted, that's fine too. But I'm going to draw a bunch of buildings all connected together right here. Okay, so I used my white crayon. I used it pretty lightly in order to draw in the outline of my building. So I'm gonna move my white crayon off to the side and grab my scissors. So what we wanna do now is just cut everything out, separate the, the extra sky that we don't need from our buildings. All right, so I have cut out the buildings for my city. Now I can still see the white crayon on my building, so I actually think I'm just gonna flip it over so that way I can use this side and I have a nice clean black piece that doesn't have any other drawing on it. All right, so I'm gonna grab my sky that I made last week, and if we just set this over it, how cool is that going to look? Our amazing cities with our beautiful skies. All right, so at this point, I'm gonna grab my glue stick. I'm gonna put some glue all on, whoops, you know what? I'm gonna move this off to the side so I can glue this more easily. All right, glue all on the back, getting all the edges so that nothing pops up. Okay, let's pull that sky back over. All right, now make sure your buildings are lined up on the bottom so we don't have a floating city. That would be pretty funny looking. All right, and then go ahead and press it down all the way up. All right, so if you'd like to leave it like this, that's completely fine. But something else that you can do is grab your white crayon again, and you can go ahead and draw in some details like windows. Maybe it looks like they're lit. But once you finish with your details, you can go ahead and turn this project in.